Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I just thought I'd show you how I use my Nano jacket by Mirror Image. Really good stuff. I'm using it on this Honda Civic. It's a 2020 Honda Civic. As you can probably see, there's pretty much no wax or any polish or anything on this. As you can see, no beading, no sheeting, nothing. It's just basically soaking the entire panel. So with the Nano jacket, what you do first, I like to actually apply mine with a nice wash mitt. This is a nice clean Maguire's wash mitt. I only use this for coating with Nano jacket now. Don't use it for any other purpose. So what we do is you wet the panel like I just did. I'll just do half the bonnet and then we can compare. So I get my wash mitt. This is moist, nice moist wash mitt. It's not soaked. Spray a little bit of Nano coat on there, and then we'll apply. As you can see straight away, the water is starting to dissipate. Just do half the bonnet down the middle there, especially the entire panel, and then you rinse off immediately. Never leave it to dry, never put it on a dry panel. See the water just sheeting off. Look on this side here where there's nothing on it, the water just sits there. Saves so much time. You're coating your car, you're protecting your paint, all while you're washing the actual vehicle. So I highly recommend Nano jacket. Available from mirrorimagecarcare.com, I think it is, or .co.uk, their website. Just do a search and it'll come up. Thanks for watching this quick video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. I've got to get on and finish the rest of the car now, so I'll see you in the next video.